Hello, so let's answer now the question. So here in the question, we are given a double-stranded DNA molecule and it has 20% of thymine. Now the question is, what are the percentages of other bases? So we know that in a DNA, adenine always always pairs with thymine, and guanine always pairs with cytosine. Here we are given that thymine is 20%. Okay, so we have here 20% thymine. So take note that um, adenine is equal with thymine. So it means that if thymine is 20%, therefore adenine is also 20%. So if we are going to add 20